Hi, it's Roshan Graham here, and today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the next chakra, which is the brow chakra. It's note A on the scale, and this chakra is all about perception and command. It is connected to the pituitary gland. I'm just going to let you hear what this A note sounds like in this beautiful bowl here, like an indigo bowl. So this chakra supports the face, the ears, the sinus, and the nervous system. The energy of this chakra allows us to access our inner guidance, our own intuition, the depths of our being. And it just enables us to connect with the energy of the world beyond our five senses. If we have a balanced brow chakra, we have understanding, wisdom, enlightenment. And I just have a couple of affirmations for this beautiful essence, which I'll spray here, the brow chakra essence. I rely on my own intuition. I am perfectly attuned to my vision. I move towards my vision every day with wisdom and clarity. Thank you.